Bilis, paliguan mo si ate. Paliguan mo si ate ng laway. Paliguan mo si ate. Shower mo siya, shower. Shower mo na si ate mo. Ganun. Ito nga. Ang galing ah. Shower mo si ate. Dami.
Did you not read the agreement? Sebastian asked, his voice filled with curiosity. I wiped the tears from my face and, with a dazzling smile, replied,
Masyadong pa-cute. Masyado naman yung pa-cute eh.
She asked me to marry you to cover my school fees, but I don't need your money now.
Masyado.
My eyes filled with determination.
Aligaw mo si ate laway. Shower mo siya, shower.
Shower.
Ganun.
There were only textbooks and pens inside. When I entered this house, I had nothing but these. I continued. I knew you would never accept me as your daughter-in-law, so I tried to
Cute
be
mo.
I became your
Ang
servant.
kakagigil ang
Without
kapitan
question.
mo.
But in return, I received nothing but humiliation. I paused, then added, "You all thought I married your son for money. Well, here's all your money back. I, Serenity Montgomery, swore I never spent a penny from any of you." I handed Sebastian a small notebook.